Dito kami ngayon sa Bolton Market Festival. Tapos may siomai kaming nakita. Ita-try namin yung siomai. What we have? What we having?
We'll have the salt and pepper.
You want salt and pepper?
Salt and pepper on. Oh, you choose anyway.
Okay. Can we have salt and pepper?
Oh, do you want
Can you not mix it? No, no. Oh, no. We're having a cheesy pork siomai. It's gonna be a quick one. Is it yum?
Alright.
Got the cheese.
Is it nice? Yeah? How's your cheese?
Yeah, it's tasted it. Huh?
Yeah. Right. No, finish that one. Yeah?
Run this way.
You want a little bit? Those your big Greek one.
Ha?
Those your big Greek.
Daming tao. Hinahanap ko yung potato, yung fried potato na taas.
Chris finger will be on here.
Yeah. Hello! Nagpakarga yung isa, oh, kasi gusto magtingin-tingin. Yan yung gusto kong kainin last year. Kaso nung pumunta kami dito last year, buntis ako at ayoko yung amoy. Ngayon, ito try natin. Ang daming tao. Once a year lang kasi to dito. What is the best one? Is it salt, pepper, or vinegar? You like vinegar? You like vinegar, right?
No, they do like.
Now then, guys, we're back on the road. Now we're trying this. I thought it's crunchy, but it's scum.
It's a scam. Biggest scam.
It's tasty in a way, but it's not tasty. It's not crunchy, so solid.
You're giving it a solid 2, right? Even though we got a scammed.
Solid zero.
You want some?
Ang daming tao. Ang laki ng hotdog. Tingnan mo. Pakita mo dali. 10 pound. Kawawa naman yung isa. It's not for you. You want some? You wanna get out? You wanna get out?
Yeah, well, come out. You want some hot dog with Danny? Come on. Don't give anything off these food places. Very nice. Is it what you were craving? Yeah. Next year you can have. Yes. Next year.
Daming tao.
We put that on social media recently, and they did actually know how to do it. So, a fangirl, they were like, oh,
Pwede si kid dyan maglaro kay maliit pa. Ang daming bata naglalaro. Dati pumunta kami dito ng Sean, 2 months pa yung aking tiyan. Ngayon si kid malaki na. Meron silang sand. Yeah, you can play there, but it's not yet. You can play there soon. Malayo muna yung aming kailangan ng drinks and thank you annoying. Okay, I was so thirsty.
This way, hold on.
Oh, uwian time na. Uwian. Nandun na yung aming prinsipe sa loob. Katie! Nilagay ko siya dito sa aming kusina kasi minamassage ko. Andito ako ngayon sa lutuan. Andito ako sa kitchen. Pinapatulog ko kasi siya hindi natutulog. Habang nanonood kami ng aming vlog. Yes. Tapos, tayong dalawa ay may mga sipon. Peekaboo! I'll see you in the future. May mga sipon kami dalawa. Lumabas kami. Siguro nakukutos sa kuan, sa bus. Tapos, nung pauwi na kami, sumakit na yung aking liig, sakit yung aking mata, ulo. Tapos kinabukasan pagising ko, sobrang sakit na ng aking tonsil. Ayun. Tapos nag-food festival kami nung Sabado. Ano pala, may food festival dito. 2 araw kami lumalabas. Ayun ko sanang lumalabas kasi ang sakit ng katawan ko. Pero ano lang kasi yun once a year. So session. Off niya. So session. Siyempre si daddy walang trabaho. Ang ano na pag, ay, shit, baby boy. Daddy will gonna get angry. Don't kick mommy. You're gonna bounce your head. Just do that. Nag-start gabi. Pag gising ko ng umaga, sakit na ng liig ko. Buti na wala lang yun ang nimugmugan ko ng asin na may tubig na may asin. Na maligam-gam. Tapos kahapon lang, nag-start yung kanyang sipon. Pinatumar ko kaagad ng Calpol kahapon. Para hindi siya masyado yung yung cranky, mag-iyak-iyak, yung masakit yung katawan. Kaya ngayon hindi na masyado yung nafe-feel niya, hindi siya yung iiyak, yung umiiyak-iyak. Hindi katulad kahapon na umiiyak-iyak siya. Ngayon, parang okay yung na lang yun sa kanya, yung runny nose. Yeah, you got runny nose. Sleeping, come on. You're not sleeping. Why you're not sleeping? You only sleep 5 minutes, not even 5 minutes. Just 3 minutes, we'll say. Yes? Huh? You only sleep 3 minutes? Ups! Ayan ka na naman. Ay, ang bilis tulog ng kamay. Bless you! Come on, do it again. Come on, do it again. Mami, kahit hindi maganda ang pakiramdam, bangon! Kasi may baby. May baby tayong alagaan, guys. Sobrang sakit talaga ng katawan ko, hindi ako nakapag-vlog kasi sobrang sakit ng ulo. Sobrang sakit ng ulo ko. Tapos dito sa UK, no, pag tayo magkakasakit kasi trabaho naman yung asawa. Wala tayong katulong. Wala tayong masabihan na, ma, hawakan mo muna, gano'n. Walang magluluto, wala. Kaya, kahit sobrang pagod na parang hindi ka makabangon sa gitna ng mga katawan, kailangan mo talaga bumangon para magluto. Pag gabi, okay naman si mami kasi nandito si daddy. Oo, pero pag umaga, wala.